Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through the process of activating a Venmo business profile, allowing you to accept payments with zero stress. Let's dive into the step-by-step instructions that will get your business up and running on Venmo in no time. Step 1. Download the Venmo app. If you haven't done so already, download the Venmo app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Make sure you're downloading the official app to avoid any security issues. Step 2. Create a personal account. If you don't already have a Venmo account, you'll need to sign up for a personal account first. Open the app and follow the prompts to create an account using your email, phone number, and a secure password. Step 3. Upgrade to a business profile. Once your personal account is set up, navigate to the main menu by tapping on the 3 horizontal lines in the upper left corner. Select Settings, and then tap on Manage Balance. Here you will see an option for Create a Business Profile. Follow the prompts to switch to a business account. Step 4. Fill out your business information. You will need to enter specific details about your business, including its name, type, a profile picture, and a brief description. This information will help customers recognize your business when they make payments. Step 5. Link your business bank account. To accept payments directly into your business account, link a bank account to your Venmo business profile. Go to Settings and select Payment Methods. Tap Add Bank or Card and follow the instructions to securely link your business bank account. Step 6. Customize your payment preferences. Tailor your payment settings to suit your needs. You can set up preferences for receiving payments, such as accepting payments for goods and services. Ensure you enable the option that allows you to accept payments as a business. Step 7. Promote your Venmo business profile. Share your Venmo business profile with your customers. You can do this by adding your Venmo link to your website, social media profiles, or even on business cards. Make it easy for customers to find and pay you. Step 8. Stay compliant. Make sure you're aware of Venmo's policies for business transactions. Keep track of your transactions for tax purposes and ensure you comply with any necessary legal requirements for your business. Step 9. Monitor your account. Regularly check your Venmo business account for incoming payments and manage your transactions through the app. This will help you maintain records and ensure smooth operations for your business. Thank you for watching our tutorial on how to activate a Venmo business profile and accept payments effortlessly. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more helpful content.